Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the TAD token. Now the TAD token is trending right now on DEX Screener number 3 in the base section. This has been a very popular token for a while now. I've seen it trending number 1 day after day. Huge market cap. This token's up 46% today, almost $500,000 trading volume today. And this token came out about 2 weeks ago and still going strong here. Name of the token is Tadpole. Ticker symbol is TAD. It's a play off of Pepe. You know, it's kind of like baby Pepe, a tadpole. And yeah, we're going to go over the information on the base token TAD and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find this token on DEX Tools, on DEX Screener, on BaseScan. They have a market cap right now of $2.5 million. Their fully diluted valuation is $2.7 million. It's up 44.5% today in the past 24 hours. Now they have $205,000 in liquidity in Uniswap. And according to DEX Screener, 95.44% of that total liquidity is locked, and there is a UNCX link to it where you can verify that. Token price today is 0.0039 USD. Now they have a 24-hour trading volume today of $452,000. They've had 37,487 transactions, and it's a fairly new token, but not brand new. This token came out 13 days, 13 hours ago. They have a couple of quick audits here on DEX Screener that we could go over here in a second, verify the security of this token here. Now, their Telegram is at Mystery Meme on Base, and they have 2,123 members on there. 457 of them are online. That's a great place to join the community, talk about the token, ask questions, you know, get involved with community members there. Check that out at Mystery Meme on Base. They also have a Chinese Telegram linked on there as well. So check those out. And according to BaseScan here, they have 273,471 holders. Now that is an insane amount of holders, over 250,000 holders. 18 decimal places on this token. They've had 694,260 total transactions, and there is a max total supply of 690 million TAD tokens. Now, their webpage here, tadpole.lol. On there, you could connect your wallet. You could create a wallet. There's a leaderboard. There's a play button where you could play the game. It'll take you over to tadpole.lol/playground. There's a swap button, a leaderboard, all sorts of links on here as well. So it says TAD is on a mission to grow, which is what, you know, tadpoles do. And as our market cap increases, so do the rewards on our leaderboard. Compete to climb the top and unlock new levels to earn exclusive on-chain perks. So you can click compete and earn now, or you could click the learn more button and that will take you back to the Telegram that I was talking about earlier, the mystery meme Telegram there. So they have Tadpole weekly winners for this game here, and number one spot basically gets a quarter ETH, 0.25 ETH. Spot number 2 gets 0.1 ETH, and spot number 3 gets 0.03 ETH. And it says next prizes are subject to change, and you could read the rules, and they show the full leaderboard of who won and whatnot there. If you scroll all the way down, they have links to their socials, Telegram, Twitter. They have a button, Bridge to Base. So basically, if you wanted to get this token here, how you could get it is, first of all, you need a wallet for Base token. So you could use a Coinbase wallet. You could use a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, any one of those wallets. So you would fund your wallet with ETH and then bridge it to Base using the Bridge to Base button on their webpage there, which is take you over to stargate.finance/bridge. Or you could fund your wallet directly with Base from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links in the description box you could use. So you fund your wallet with Base, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then using the contract address that you could find on their webpage, tadpole.lol, you would trade your Base for the TAD token using that contract address. Now, easy way to find it, scroll all the way down. They have a DEX tools and DEX screener chart link on their webpage at the bottom. And then they also have links to their mission, Tokenomics, how to buy. In case you didn't understand how I just explained it, you could follow the how to buy steps there. So this is the based spawn of Pepe. Isn't it the opposite? Isn't Pepe supposed to be, I guess because the token came after Pepe, that's why they're saying that, but you would think a frog would be the opposite, or the, not the opposite, but the spawn of the tadpole? Anyways, I digress. So this token has a Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this token here. They do have a Bubble Maps link on DEX tools that you could find as well. And it has the blue verified check mark on their Twitter right there. 451 tweets at Tadpole Base. Has all the links right there you're going to need. A brand new Twitter, just joined in June 2024. 1,340 holders. And if you scroll through, they have all sorts of updates here, like new partnership here with CoinMerge they're talking about on here. All sorts of memes, of course, DEX screener updates. So yeah, check it all out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about Tadpole? Do you guys think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.